What is the focus of your particular funds?
I have two funds, a gold and precious metals fund as well as a strategic resources fund. The reason that those are different is because while they're both metals that might get mined out of the ground, gold is a different metal. Gold is a metal that's value and price is often determined by geopolitics and global economy. In a different way than resources. Resources go into making stuff that makes our world go round, and gold is a store of value, a store of wealth. It's an asset class that's a financial asset class. They belong in different parts of your portfolio, and that's why I look at them separately, even though they're both mined products.
With regards to being a low cost producer, so for producing companies, I can understand looking at the ASIC and making sure that they're a low-cost producer. What would you recommend looking for in exploration companies or development companies? How do they create value for shareholders, or how do they persuade you that they are doing the right things?
Well, on a very basic level, they need to be adding to their resource. So you need to be creating a resource that has a certain scale and hopefully adding to that scale of resource with a decent grade, or what's known as an economic grade. And as the resource grows and knowing the grade, you can make some back of the envelope with reasonable proficiency calculations as to where this project's going to sit in the cost curve. You know how much it's going to cost to build, and you know how much of a profit it's going to make. And so using those back of the envelope calculations, as long as they are growing the resource and adding good quality grade ounces or tons to that resource, you can be sure that eventually this will be a project that is going to ultimately make money for shareholders.
Okay.
It's very hard to create value if you have no money to do it with. So having enough money in the bank to do that, or the ability to raise money at a reasonable level, is quite important. So how well financed in the structure of their financing is quite important, to know that they've got a buffer to meet their needs so they can execute on their plans. In addition, I would also say promotion, believe it or not, which is a bit of a dirty word, is quite important. It's all well and good for a company to be doing good work and either be, finding new ounces or tons, or producing ounces and tons of good quality. But if you can't communicate your success effectively to the market, then your share price is going nowhere. And ultimately, we're investing in shares. We're not investing in companies. So a company that has the ability to communicate effectively with the market and turn their good news and their milestones into share price appreciation is very, very important. And that's a track record and a skill set that's very, very important.
Thank you very much for watching our video. We do aim to give you informed and intelligent information with which to make your investment decisions. So if you liked what you just saw, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more insightful, in-depth, honest and unbiased interviews, then please click the subscribe button. So thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.